discussing about data structures. In this tutorial, we'll discuss Q data structures. Data structures mainly divided into two categories. They are linear data structures and non-linear data structures. Q is a linear data structure which operates first in, first out. It also called FIFO or last in, last out, LILO. It is named Q as it behaves like a real world queue. For example, queue of cars in a single lane, queue of people waiting at a food counter can we take as example for first in, first out. Abstract data type. Q is an abstract data type with a bounded capacity. Q is a simple data structure that allows adding and removing elements in a particular order. The order is first in, first out. I think you got some idea about Q data structures. Let's talk about operations in the Q data structures. NQ. NQ help to insert data to the queue and DQ help to remove data from the queue. Peak operation help to return the first input data. Isempty help to the queue is empty or no. Is full operation help to the queue is full or no. Delete queue help to delete whole queue. This is an empty queue. Let's input data to that queue. To input data, we use NQ operation. Q NQ equal 1. Now Q is 1. Again we input value as 5. Q NQ equal 5. Now Q is 1, 5. This is the way how input data to the queue. The DQ data from that queue. Q dot DQ DQ. Now Q is 5. 1 is first input 1, therefore 1 is the first out 1. First in, first out order is important in these cases. Again do the same operation. Q DQ now Q is empty. If we do the same operation again and show an error message because the queue is empty. Okay, let's talking about peak method. queue has 1 and 5 elements. 1 is the first element, and after that 5 is second input element. Queue dot peak. Peak help to return the first input element. Using this method, return one, because 1 is the first input element. Now talking about is empty, is full, and delete queue. Is empty help to the queue is empty or not? Queue dot is empty when we call the queue dot is empty, return false, because the queue is not empty. There are 2 elements in the queue. Next operation is full. Is full help to queue is full or no? Queue is full. This operation returns false, because queue is not full. Can input more elements to the queue. The last operation is delete queue. Queue delete. In this operation, delete the queue. That's the end of my video. I think you got some idea about queue data structures. Thank you for watching.